Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious bitter gourd seaweed soup. I hope you will like it. Tofu is a nutritious soy-based product. Incorporating tofu into your daily meals and snacks can bring several health benefits. Those benefits include brain health promotion, ease of menopause symptoms, and heart disease prevention. Ingredients are tofu, spring onion, dried shrimps, preserved radish, and chilies. Steam white tofu for 3 minutes and set aside. Diced spring onion. Diced chilies. One teaspoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 2 tablespoons water and stir well. Add 1 teaspoon cornstarch and stir well. Stir-fry dried shrimps. Add onion white and chilies. Add preserved radish. Pour seasoning sauce. Sauce pour on tofu. Sprinkle onion green. Drizzle sesame oil. Dried shrimp preserved radish tofu is done. It's appetizing and delicious. Give it a try. Tofu and tempeh are soybean products and are rich in amino acids required for collagen production. They are rich in nutritional value, so remember to eat more. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.